Hi friends, my name is Kaustupal. Today we are talking about air pollution. Air pollution harmful substances are introduced into the atmosphere leading to the adverse effect of human health and environmental population includes first one, uh, particles particular matters. They the tiny particles or droplets are suspended in the air, like a PM2 5 less than 2.5 micrometers, and M MP10 is less than 10 micrometers. These particles can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enters the enters in the blood traces, causing respiratory and cardiovascular vascular issues. Second one, nitrogen nitrogen dioxide nitrogen dioxide NO2 produces from the vehicles executes and the industrial process. It can illustrate that the respiratory system contributes to the formation of ground level ozone. Third one, sulfur dioxide SO2 eliminates from the burning of fossil fuels like coal, vehicles respiratory problems, and the acid rain contributes the acid rain. Fourth one, carbon monoxide CO, colorless, odorless gas produced by incomplete combination of fossil fuels. It reduces the blood's ability to carry the oxygen, leading to the various health health problems. Fifth one, violet or organic components, VOC, organic compound chemicals evaluate evaluate in the air, often from the solvents and fossil and fuels. They contributes to the formation of ground level ozons and smokes. Short term effects of air pollution can includes the coughing, throat i- irritations irritation, and the expectations of asthma. Long term long term exposures linked to the more service health issues like heart diseases, lungs cancer, and chronic diseases. Respiratory conditions, pathogen strategies involves reduces the emulsion of the vehicles industries, agriculture, adopting the clearance techniques, and promoting the uh, policies to improving the air quality. Individual actions taken, such as using the public transport actions, and in the in the transport of actions, reducing the energy cons of often can be also helps in the air pollution. In the air pollution, uh, vehicles are also taken in air pollution.